Welcome to the unboxing of the iBall Thunder 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. Over here it's written powerful 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. We have some information on this box that includes a picture of what this particular 2.1 sound system is going to look like. Total output is 40 watt RMS. There are two subwoofers. So basically there is one subwoofer which is 20 watt and two satellites which is 10 watt each. That's 10 into 2, that's 20, so 20 plus 20 is 40. What other information do we have? Total weight is 4.17 kilos. Playback options: Bluetooth, USB, STM-MC, AUX and FM. Anything else? That's more or less all the information we have over here. Starting RGB LED lights on the woofer, and deep bass stereo sound, remote with bass and treble control. So this comes with a remote control as well, as shown in the picture over here. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. This is it. These are the components of this box. We have a user manual. Like a closer look, there you go. We have a user manual for the iBall Thunder 2.1. You can read it at least once. This is a 3.5 to line in and line out cable. This is a cable bundle that comes with almost all sound systems. And this is the remote control that comes with this particular sound system. These are the satellites. These are very small and lightweight. This has this piano black finish on top. And a matte black finish for the rest of it. There are 3 anti-skid stops right underneath. It's a good touch as well. Let's quickly take a look at the subwoofer. This is the 20 watt subwoofer that comes in this box. This is your 20 watt subwoofer. This is a volume dial right over here. Notice the built-in remote controls right over here. There is a play pause button, also 2 buttons for changing track. And this, I'm assuming, is for changing the modes, although nothing is specified. There is a USB-A port and a SD card slot on the top. And at the back we have output ports, input ports, power switch, and the FM antenna, along with the power cable. The subwoofer also sports a piano black finish at the front, and a matte black finish in the rest of the body. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the iBall Thunder 2.1 computer multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.